Hi there, it's Grant from Online Business Insider, and today I'm going to reveal what I believe is the fastest way to start and launch an affiliate marketing business if you're a beginner, and the easiest way that I know of how to make $200 to $500 per day if you're starting out as an affiliate. In fact, I actually believe this is the fastest and easiest way to start a business. Now, I must stress that this isn't going to be some push button riches. I'm not going to gloss it over for you. This will take work and a bit of effort, potentially a bit of investment from your part, but it's going to be nothing crazy. I'm never going to lie to people saying, oh, it's so easy to do. Like any business, it's going to require the time effort, bit of money effort, or both. But trust me when I say what I'm going to show you is the easiest way I know to launch a business, especially if you want to be an affiliate marketer. I've not found anything easier. And also, this is what I'm going to show you is exactly how I started my affiliate marketing business and how I pretty much still run it today. Now, I've been running my affiliate marketing business now for over 2 years. And in my first year of affiliate marketing, I made over 6 figures pretty much with one offer using the exact strategy that I am going to show you. So let's get on with the video. So what am I on about? So usually when people, start affiliate marketing, usually have no idea what they're doing. They go to ClickBank, which is the default. They pick a product and just send junk traffic to it, expecting for the commissions to roll in. Usually most people, that will never work because, they're just driving junk traffic to to the affiliate pages, and basically these people just give up. But there's a really smart way to do it, and I'll be honest with you, this is the fastest way I've ever seen how to make money as an affiliate. So let me just show you. So if you think about it, the easiest way to generate sales is when someone is actually searching for a product. And what I'm going to do here is show you exactly what I mean. So basically I'm talking about putting products that people want in front of the people who are searching for them. Now, the Palm Beach Letter is one of the top financial newsletters in the world, and it's a product I promote as an affiliate. Now, a lot of affiliate products will allow you to bid on their, product and company name. So this product is called the Palm Beach Letter. So basically what I've done, or what I did, or what I still do, is I use Google search ads to bid on this term. So when people are searching for this term, my ads show up to these people who are searching. And if you're searching in this term, the Palm Beach Letter, it's a very high intent keyword because people are obviously searching for that. They want to find more information about that product, and a lot of them are going to convert into customers. In fact, I can tell you from the data I've got from the ads that I've run, about it depends on the day, but I would say 1 in 10 people are going to purchase this product from my research, which is incredibly high conversion rate. In fact, it can be less. It can be sometimes 1 in 5, depends on the day, depends on the time of year. And just by running simple search ads like this one, this isn't my ad, but this is another ad, just running simple ads like this to this keyword has allowed me to earn anywhere from, say $300 a day up to, I think my best ever day with this has been about $1,800. I mean, it is crazy. And there's very good search from it as well. There's about 1,900 searches a month. Now, I'm not saying you go out and bid, for this particular affiliate offer, but I'm just giving you an example. Just look at this as not specific on this offer because there's plenty of offers you can use this tactic for. But this is basically my strategy. So let me just run it for you again. You want to find products that allow you to bid on their company terms, such as, obviously this product's called the Palm Beach Letter. So you bid on the terms, you set up a simple search ad targeting these terms, and then you drive traffic to your landing pages. So that is the basic strategy here. We're basically picking products, affiliate good. We're not talking about garbage affiliate products, high quality affiliate products with good search terms for the product name or the company name, and we're setting up simple ads and driving that traffic to the offer. And that is basically the strategy in a nutshell. It's very, very simple. Now, what I'm going to do is show you my funnel strategy. Now, if you didn't know, this is my ClickFunnels account. I use ClickFunnels to build out all of my landing pages and funnels. So what I'm going to do, as you can see here, these are the different sort of pages I've got going. So let me just show you a page. Here we go. So this is kind of like one of the offers I've been promoting that I use for this strategy. I'm going to show you how stupidly simple this is. So I'm just taking you to the landing page. So what I've done is, you must know as well, obviously if you're using Google search ads to promote affiliate products, you can't just put the affiliate link in the ad. It will get disapproved. So what you have to do is create something what I call pre-card page, which basically pre-sells a product. So this is how I lay my pages out really easily. So basically I just put a really catchy headline that really gets people excited about the product. Usually give a good offer, give like an image of a product, sort of use some of the copy. A lot of the copy you can just pull from the pages, and then basically what I do, I sort of put a button, give a price, put a button, and if you click on this takes you to the actual page where people will buy it, which is the company page. This is kind of like your affiliate link, and this is obviously the page here for the product. So that is all I do. It's nothing more complex than that. It is so easy. So really, literally all you're doing is setting up a simple Google search ad, bidding on the product term or the brand terms, and driving them to simple little pages like that. You put your affiliate link in the button, and when people click this, they go to the affiliate page and buy the product. That is how I have built a six-figure affiliate marketing business, and it's how I believe you can earn a simple $200 to $500 a day as an affiliate. I've not found anything simpler or more easy. Now, obviously, obviously you don't have to become an affiliate of this, because it's not easy to become an affiliate of this. But I would actually say there's 50% of all affiliate products will allow you to bid on product terms or brand terms. So yeah, you've just got to go out there and find affiliate products where you can use this strategy for. Now, you're probably thinking, oh God, I haven't got the money for ads or anything like that. Is there a way I can do it for free? Yes, there is, and I'll show you now. This is where it gets really, really exciting. All of these videos you see here are my videos promoting this product. So basically, what you see here is the hottest, and this is all on page 1. I'm dominating the videos for this term. This is the hottest traffic strategy in 2022. I tell you, this is so powerful. Basically, the hottest traffic strategy of 2022 is going to be YouTube SEO. I'm not going to go into great deal with it here because it's going to go out of the context of this video. But obviously, if you don't want to run Google search ads, you can do exactly what I'm doing here. Create simple little videos that review the products. Like how much is it? Reviews, how's it performing? Just go inside the product and show people around. Create lots of videos like this. And after creating about 10 videos for a keyword, you will start ranking, for these search terms. And these videos, as long as you do them well, can hang around for many, many years. So this is free traffic. Obviously, you've got to put a bit of time and effort to create these videos, but it's really easy. I'm not on camera on these videos. They're all just screen share like you're seeing here. No music. I haven't got any fancy equipment. It's so simple. You just got to get on and do the work. This is so powerful. And if you're really interested in learning how to do YouTube SEO to drive traffic to your affiliate offers, I'm going to reveal how, or something will help you at the end of this video. So, okay, that's what I've got for you today. you know, this strategy is so powerful. But obviously, if you're thinking to yourself, you know what, this is this all sounds a bit too complicated for me. I don't know how to, you know, sort of find products. You know, if you're worried about finding products, or, you know, sort of putting together landing pages, I have got you absolutely covered. Now, I've been a member of a program called the Partner with Anthony program, that's run by Anthony Morrison. Now, Anthony Morrison is probably one of the world's top affiliate marketers and internet marketers. And through his Partner with Anthony program, when you join it, he walks you step by step through how to become a top affiliate, and he basically gives you all of the products to promote in what he calls his special ecosystem, so you don't have to go out and find products. He gives you all of the products to promote, and he gives you he does all of the selling for you. So basically, it is an affiliate marketer's dream. I've been a member of the Partner with Anthony program now for about 3 months. I joined at Christmas because I just wanted another sort of opportunity to promote, and it is hands down the best affiliate marketing training I've ever seen. And also, as a Partner with Anthony program, you get to promote that, but he does all of the selling for you. It is brilliant. If you're in a big beginner as an affiliate marketer, join the Partner with Anthony program. It isn't expensive. It is absolutely awesome, and it will help you get going with affiliate marketing really quickly. What I'm going to do, I'm going to link to the Partner with Anthony program below. Simply enter your email, or take you to a video, and you can watch the video to learn a bit more about it and see if it's right for you. Now, obviously, if you want to learn also how to do YouTube SEO and get cool little videos like this which promote your affiliate marketing products, you know, I've got an awesome solution for you. So basically, there's a guy called Paul Murphy, and he's mastered how to do YouTube SEO, where you can get free ads just like this on Google and on YouTube that drive free traffic to your affiliate marketing offers. Now, he's got a program. What I'm going to do, I'm going to link it down to you below, along with all of the different tools I've got. So if you want to use the tools that I recommend, like ClickFunnels, I'm going to link to them below, and you can use them. But anyway, that's what I've got for you guys. I hope you found it useful. My advice, if you want to get started with affiliate marketing, join the Partner with Anthony program. It is absolutely awesome. Can't recommend it enough. You get all of the training on how to become an affiliate, and he does all of the selling for you. All you've got to do is promote it, and you can use the strategies I show you here to promote it and get little videos like this that will drive traffic to it, that will make you a lot of money. Anyway, I hope you found this video useful and informative, and I'll speak to you soon.